guys, it's me, Liana. Smooth. Talk about smooth. Alright, so hi guys, it's me, Liana here. I'm here to share with you my next thrift transformation, and it is this one that I'm wearing right here. Maybe some of you might actually like this design, maybe some might really hate it. Personally, I do not dig this current look right here. First things first, I don't like fake diamonds on a dress, and so I bought it. First of all, there was a few things which I liked about this dress. One was the length of the evening gown. Not necessarily the fabric, but just the length and the drapiness of this design feature here, and the strap. So first step is I get some inspiration. So in this case, it actually came about with finding an online dress of Kendall Jenner at the latest, was it Golden Globes? Alright, so it was at the Vanity Fair's Oscars party. So that's apparently what the internet is telling, so I'm just gonna go by that. And it was kind of like a light bulb moment. I was like, oh my god, I love this dress. So captivating, whether it's in the movement of the flow, the fluidity of the dress. As she's walking, you can see like that drapiness following back behind her, and I was like, wow, the slits was super daring and like in your face, bam. And personally, I think the slits on the dress is a bit over the top, but she's rocking it, but that's that.
And so here's a little sneak peek of before and after. And so first things first, what we're going to do is take off the diamond design feature. So after doing some fiddling around with the straps of the dress, I discovered a new way to wear the dress, putting my head through the back straps as opposed to the front straps of the dress. Once we've taken that off, we are going to move on to pinning at the neckline. These pins will help us know where to sew when it comes to that stage. We will also need to put pins in place at the bust area of the band. This will help make it look flatter and not pucker. After putting pins in place, I will probably need to readjust the top neckline again so that it is nice and secure. Following this, we will need to put pins in place at the thigh of the dress. This will help us know where we want to cut for the slit of the dress. Measuring on the left and right, we need to make sure that the slit is accurately even. Following this, we will draw in yellow chalk where we want to cut the slip of the dress. Doing this on both the left and right hand side. Next, we will sew in place where we have just placed the pins. So the first one is on the bust area of the band. This will help make it secure and that it lies flat without the puckering happening. Next, we will do the same process on the other side. After sewing that, we will sew in the high top neckline of the bands. and say this is what it looks like. And I did a little back tack to keep it secure and that it doesn't move around when being worn. After doing this, I will need to sew in all the edges of the slit of the dress. We will do this at a 0.5 centimeter sew. We will fold this at 0.5 centimeters. We will repeat this same process on the other 3 edges of the slits. And so that comes to the end of my video. This is a look of the before. And drum roll, this is what the after looks like. Woo! Woo! I'm pretty happy with it. The good thing about the transformation was that it actually fitted a lot better on my high waist. Before, the old dress was really tight to zip up at the back, and this time it fits nice and snug around my tummy and the back.
Guys, that comes to the end of my transformation of this dress. I'm not gonna lie, I love this piece in which I did. It's the first time I've done an evening gown in such a long time, and the outcome of it was amazing. In my opinion, I think I did quite a good job. But without sounding too cocky, I'm always open to hearing what you guys think, and I hope you guys enjoyed this transformation. Hopefully I might do another evening gown, who knows. So stick around, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.